it's your girl Preemie with Remax Edge. So we're here, I'm going to show you a duplex in this private home. So we have the first floor and you have the leveled basement as well. It's finished. We have washer dryer hookup. We have 5 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, 3.5 bathrooms. So this is something you want to see. And another thing is, you're in Bensonhurst, you do have Subway close by, but you also have 2 free parking spots. Okay, that's not a joke. We got 2 free parking spots with your own driveway. We're going to check it all out. Baseboard heating, so this kind of heat does not dry out your skin. You control your own heat. Plenty of outlets, as well as sunlight, and a view into your own porch. Also have this vent that sucks everything out through an exhaust. So there's a pipe that takes everything out. Bedroom with 3 windows as well. Bedroom, 3rd bedroom here. It's a full, very comfortably. So you can actually look at it and see the parking lot, the price. So all of that will be sorted out. Also has its own bath. I'm going to take you guys to the basement door. Baseboard heating, a whole unit, plenty of sunlight and lighting. In the kitchen, you have stainless steel appliances. You're going to have a stove top here, as well as this amazing bed. You have a full bathroom here. It's your second part of your basement. As you can see, it's a king-size living space, your half bath. So amazing if you guys are running out of bathrooms, but you do have 3.5 bathrooms. This is our exit out to the back where your parking is.